The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope with that.
സമൂ നമ്മൾ എവിടെ പോവാ? നമ്മൾ കൊച്ചി പോവാ.
മാസി ഇവിടെ നോക്ക്. Let's go. We are in the metro. We reached Kochi metro. Which metro? We are at Ernakulam metro, and we have to go to Kallur. Yes.
We're going to have breakfast.
Yes.
Toilet is upstairs.
Now I am going to speak only in Malayalam. Nyan Malayalam. The end one I don't know how to finish the grammar. Samsar.
Say
After that,
സംസാരിക്കാം.
Samsar.
Guys, it's actually really hot. It's really hot. Like
Chood.
even in the morning you might think it's
Korea. Jawaharlal Nehru International Stadium, Kochi. Oh yeah. So she's taking me inside the stadium to watch match. No, to eat breakfast, and then we'll go to our stay. So, yes, guys.
A non-veg friend like me will sacrifice herself for a veg friend.
എനിക്ക് ഇതൊരു ബട്ടർ ദോശ. Okay, we from where did we get the water metro? High Court. From High Court to Fort Kochi. Now we are in Fort Kochi. We are on our way to go to our room. But apparently he told us to come by 10 and it's 8:30 and I don't know what we are going to do. We are going to roam here. Oh, there's plan B here also. But oh my god, I like the streets. Oh, I like the streets. See there. We came to the park because he told that room guy told to come by 10. So we just saw a garden here. Oh, they got the sky cycles.
Hey, that's another one.
Yeah, there are 1, 2, there also 3.
Is that
I think everything is same only. If there is per hour, it's fine.
yeah?
So we are in the park, and we have to do some time pass at this moment. So we are going to play. I'll go here. We are at Fort Kochi beach and it's actually very hot. We are just roaming here and there. We didn't go inside the park. We didn't play in the park. We should play for some time. Yeah. Right now we are just sitting here because we are tired carrying our baggage. Oh my god, I see one more cargo ship.
Hi, we are thirsty and she's drinking nariyal pani.
This is our stay. This is our stay. Okay, this is the view. I don't know if it's a balcony. It's like a house. It's a bungalow. So this is the top floor. This is our room. There are more rooms, but this is our room. It's very cute, tiny, only for me and Mazi. This is the washroom there. Check. At this point we are so tired. We just wanna rest for a while and we leave. Mazi is just exploring stuff. and I just like the view here. I mean, it's nice, and even the owner is good, sweet. So we are ready. This is our outfit. This is not my outfit.
Show
This is
mine.
not my outfit. I mean, my outfit is inside this.
We'll
But
do an outfit
wait,
check later
yeah.
because I look black.
I mean, we can do an outfit check outside. But right now, where are we going, Mazi?
Here, we're going Fort Kochi and we're going to explore the streets and we're also going to explore Binale, like whatever we can. Whoa!
And I'm going to click good pictures. And I hope Mazi does that. Hi guys, we
Streets
are
of every
yeah I already.
district.
We are at Princess Street, and I just love the street. I mean, I don't know. Oh my god, I'm feeling very conscious at this point, but can't help. Where? Where go? Otherwise your sound will not come. Oh my god, what is this? This looks nice. I want to take here also. I want to just look at the street and look at her.
What?
Pretty girl. I love everything about this.
Is it on? Huh?
Yeah. Going inside the Burger Street. Oh my god, what is this? So cute.
It'll be very expensive.
Yeah, of course. Hi Mazi. Oh, look at this. Mazi twirl. Yay! Cutie! Oh my god, I like this place. I mean, it looks nice.
Hi, we are in Samiksha Street.
My street?
Yeah, Princess Street.
Oh! Look at him. Looks so done. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I mean, I am walking in Kerala like this, like, can you imagine? Just because it's the tourist space. Otherwise, I am very much
No, but it's
respectful. But I just love the street. It's giving me half Bandra vibes, but this
Fine. Is it?
like even Bandra has some kind of these kind of houses, but I love the streets. I mean, I love my outfit. I love Mazi. We are having that trip. I mean, okay, please don't judge. I'm just scared of aunties and uncles at this point. But
No, you know,
Let's
like
go.
once you get out of Fort
are
Kochi,
we renting the cycle?
I mean,
after
yeah,
roaming?
we could.
Let's go. I mean, I look nice. I like my outfit.
Bro,
I can only wear this when I'm on a trip.
I smell food. Would
Why
you show
can't I
this with
smell?
your mom?
I mean, yeah.
Then it's
I
fine.
don't know.
Then wear it.
But after this, okay, we are just walking through these streets and
Then you
looking
can
at
just
these
wear it
cute
wherever you
streets.
want.
But it's nice actually. I see a lot of foreigners and I'm scared of these crows just sitting on top of our head. What if it poops on us?
Oh my God. That was once
Mazi,
me.
give me a statement that I can say in Malayalam.
ചേട്ടാ രണ്ട് ചായ
ചേട്ടാ,
അങ്ങ്
രണ്ട്
എടുക്ക്.
ചായ, അത് no.
ചേട്ടാ ഒരു ചിക്കൻ ബിരിയാണി.
I did not even eat. I can order for you. But there are a
You
lot of
should be
stays
like,
here.
നാട്ടിൽ എന്ത് ചൂടല്ലേ.
That I can say.
See,
നാട്ടിൽ എന്ത് ചൂടാണ്.
we came this way.
Oh my god, people are taking photos.
So basically, in Kerala it's always hot. And it
I
just
mean,
keeps getting hotter.
it's of
Unless
course,
and
even in
until
my
it's
place.
monsoons. Like
Yeah.
even during monsoon season, the tradition now is that it still keeps getting hotter. This way. I was just saying how expensive.
How expensive?
Honestly, a lot of places are just abandoned like that, but it looks pretty on the outside.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at these. But
Look
I'm
at the
sure it's
jewelry.
going to be costly.
Just
We
check
should
the
have gotten drink, bro, to drink. I'm thirsty.
Yeah, we'll get. See, this is how the real pashmina would feel like. It's very soft.
Oh, that guy said in Fort Kochi only his shop is there, no?
Yeah. But I don't think it's this though. His name is Amir.
Of course, it will not be this, but somewhere. I am damn sure it's going to be costly. I like this. A lot of what?
Eco-friendly stuff.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, random people are asking, calling us, madam. I am an Indian, bro. I am a South Indian. I also understand your language. You cannot fool me.
Is he asking for auto?
I don't know.
Oh, they left.
Guys, we rented a scooty. No, cycle. See, yes. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, girl. We off to the right. Let's go.
Why is he looking go?
I don't know.
Yeah, but I'm scared. Wait. Okay, wait. Will my skirt, like, should I do anything with my skirt? Okay.
See the?
Yeah. Bro, I think my skirt is getting. Wait, my skirt. Oh, but
Where are we going? This way.
left.
Yeah, Mazi.
Oh, this is
Go ahead,
fun.
go ahead. Why is it so tight, bro?
Oh, there's
Oh,
Binali
your
here.
only it is there. Let's go. Ivide, right. Let's park. What is it?
It's basically a space where children do art and they collect it and they put it out here as a medium of learning.
Art.
So it's really hot, but we're sacrificing ourselves.
This is Mazi and this is me. It's all fine. What? You don't do that. Which way?
Right.
Wait. Yes. What? Why are you scaring me, bro? Wait, my skirt is like. Where are we going?
We're going, I don't know, some Aspinall wall shit.
Okay, what is this Peterselly Street? I have heard Vermicelli. Okay, I mean, I just love the streets and we are on a bike.
It's such a headache.
Oh my god, I just love the street. We just stopped our cycles right now.
Ooh, what is this? Oh my god, this is so cute. Come, stand there.
Okay, let's go. You know what we
Where will
did?
we
We
park
just got
our,
pants
cycle?
because we bought our pants because you want to see? See. This is the disaster that we did.
We did an outfit check. I mean, outfit change. Like, I couldn't ride. I couldn't ride in the skirt. I mean, we both could not, and we just.
And also I was feeling very weird with the.
Yeah, and then now our cycle is parked there.
We are here for sunset. We are having. Where are we?
We are at the Fort Kochi beach, and there's a very pretty girl. This photo is being
Oh.
taken by a guy.
Wow. Oh my god, I like this place though. I think it's nice. We are at the bus stop. We are at the bus stop. We'll go to some place to eat. Hi guys. We have finally come to have dinner. Hi guys, we are back to our stay in our room. I have a headache right now, but yeah, we went to have khana. Sadly, I had only one veg food there. Oh my god! But then we had a good cab ride, and then we reached, and now we are going. Yeah, and then now we are just gonna chill, relax And tomorrow morning we are going to go. Like tomorrow is our checkout, and we are going to roam, and then we'll go. We have our train back to Bangalore at night. Hello guys, good morning. It is day 2 in Kochi, and today we are leaving tonight. This is my outfit. Sorry. Yeah. This is my outfit. Mazi is also ready, and today we are going. Right now we're going to have chai, and then we'll go visit the rest of the Binales, and then we'll visit the church. Yeah, church. What is it? Jew town also, right? And then we will have brunch, or I don't know when we are going to have brunch, and then we will go to the mall, and then from there we are going back to BLR. So this is our itinerary for today. See you soon. This is so weird. My nails are broken. Sorry, but guys, tata to the room where we chill to cozy room, and tata to Mazi. Mazi is taking a fit check there, and we are going to keep our luggages down, and we are leaving. We are going for a round. Oh my god, what is Mazi doing? See? Hi Mazi.
Yesterday we didn't get to cover a lot of Binale, so today we're covering, because imagine coming till Fort Kochi and not covering Binale. Like, what the fuck?
It's like I don't know.
That was so funny.
Bye. Oh my god, we just got 2 coffee, and this place is so cute.
Everybody, good morning.
Good morning. Is it morning?
Welcome back to her YouTube channel.
Day 2. We are at Binale's first spot for today. What is this? Aspen Hall.
Yeah, so we are at this spot called Aspen Hall. No. Aspen Wall House.
Oh.
And apparently Aspen Wall House is established by John H. Aspinwall in 1867.
Wow.
And it became a hub for trading. So actually all of the Binale art exhibitions that happen, they use whatever locations are already there across Kochi to exhibit it. Okay, how was day 1?
Day 1 was fun, and the best part, right? For me, the best part,
Cycling.
yes, cycling. Sadly, the cycles got locked because we kept it back
For me,
there.
the best part was also cycling, because I was scared. Because it's been so long since
I mean, I
rode a
was
cycle.
worried that this girl is going to say no, because she was saying no for like every time I
And then
asked her.
somehow she convinced me. and
That's called
then
influencing skills.
I think that's the best thing that we did.
Yeah. I mean, we struggled a lot, but we have a story with us.
Well, look good. How was Water Metro?
Oh, that's
It's a good
nice.
experience.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you can at least say that you've been to
Yeah.
world's first water metro. World's?
I think it said India there
Okay, India.
from here.
The streets in Fort Kochi are so pretty that.
Yeah.
So usually when I come to Fort Kochi, I just like it's very different with every people that you go to. So since we both love taking pictures, we literally spent almost 1 hour in that Princess Street itself, because we wanted clips of every street.
And it's also fun being a tourist in your own state.
Yeah.
Like even I do that back in my state. And like imagine somebody seeing their own state in a very aesthetic way just because of me. Because you're coming as a tourist with me, because I'm a tourist.
And now our plan is to roam around. Is this done though? I think we'll go there, and
No, I don't think so.
I think there's
Or
something
maybe,
there.
yeah.
So we'll go there.
People are going up.
Yeah, there's upstairs also. Okay, anyway, we'll go up and see whatever is left. Then we can find a good spot. Or if Pepper House is nearby, we can see that also, and then we'll go have a brunch. make sure where are we.
We are at Kashi Art Cafe.
We just came here for the aesthetics, and it's kind of famous, so we thought we'd just come here.
We ordered what? Chocolate cake.
Yeah, chocolate cake.
It looks so cool. Hi guys, we are at Lulu Mall in Kochi, and it's very funny that we both were sweating so much, and at this point we came to this mall, we changed, and we are back in our travel attire, and we just got some food. I got noodles so that I can eat in the train, and we are sorted. We are done with Kochi. How was Kochi, Mazi? Adventurous. I will answer. So let's go back to Bangalore. See you. Hope you like this vlog. Love you guys.